Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Nginx load balancing for multiple VPS backends, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Nginx load balancing for multiple VPS backends, start by ensuring you have Nginx installed on your primary server. Use the command sudo apt update to update your package list. Then, install Nginx with the command sudo apt install Nginx. Once installed, you need to locate the Nginx configuration file. This file is typically found at /etc/nginx/nginx.conf. Open the configuration file using a text editor, such as nano, with the command sudo nano/etc. Next, find the HTTP block within the configuration file. Inside the HTTP block, you will define your upstream servers. Create an upstream block to list your VPS backend servers. You can name your upstream block, for example, backend. It should look like this: upstream backend. Inside the braces, add your VPS server IP addresses or domain names. For example, server 192.168.1.2 and server 192. Make sure to list each VPS backend server you want to include in the load balancing. After defining the upstream block, you will add a server block for handling client requests. Add a server block below the upstream backend you created. Within this block, specify the listening port, typically port 80 for HTTP. Use the directive listen 80. Set the server_name directive to your domain name or IP address. Next, enable the load balancing by using the location directive. Add a location /block inside the server block. Within this location block, use the proxy_pass directive to forward requests. Set it to proxy_pass http://backend. You may also want to include some additional settings for better performance. For instance, add proxy_set_header host $host. Include proxy_set_header x real IP $remote_address. And proxy_set_header x forwarded for $proxy_add_x_forwarded_4. These headers ensure that the information about the client is passed to the backends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.